What's going on, my dudes? This is Mr. Gardner, and this is Math Time with Mr. G. We're going to do some vocab with geometric sequences. So a reminder, sequence means a list of numbers, and then geometric means multiply. And if you remember, arithmetic sequences was adding and subtracting of patterns. Geometric is only multiplication. We never do division. Division is a no-go. So let's look at a couple examples and say, well, how do we do division ones then? So my first pattern is being multiplied by 3. So Mr. Gardner, this next one looks like it's being divided by 3. So is that not a geometric sequence? Well, if we said divide by 3, you'd be right. But what if I multiplied by 1/3? Does that get me to the next value? Is that still multiplication? So the answer is we can't do division, but we can multiply by 1 over the number we want. So this is still multiplication, but this fraction, we'll just sneak in a division sign. And just like in arithmetic sequences, there's recursive form, which is completely useless, and the explicit form, which is actually super useful. So let's look at the equations of both. So recursive is any term is the same as the rate that we are multiplying times the previous term. So that means take the term, so 2, times it by what we're growing by. So this is times 3. So for this example, we would say is our rate of 3 times our previous term. And then to find A3, we would go our rate of 3 times 6 to get to 18. And we would keep doing that every single time until we got to 54. So AN is our nth term, R is our ratio, and A sub n minus 1 is our previous term. Explicit form, this is our equation. This means every term is equal to the first term times the rate to the power of the term we're interested in minus 1. So let's say we're interested in this fourth term. So we would say a to the fourth is equal to a1. Our first term is 2. Our rate is 3. And we care about the fourth term. The fourth term is 54. All right, if you guys have any questions, hit me up in the comments section. But other than that, be kind to each other, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.